Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix YouTube full screen settings, and it's pretty simple. So open your YouTube, go to your view section at the right side corner, tap on this gear icon at the right side corner, and in here you need to find out the option zoom to full screen. Sometimes you may find the option in your general settings, and if you don't find this option in this section, you need to check out all the section in here to find out the option. So in my device, I find out this option in this playback option. As you can see here, the option zoom to full screen. You need to turn on this option. That was the first step, and we're going to move on our second step. Now go back to your home page and tap on any video. And at the right side corner, you can see a square symbol. You just need to tap on this option and it will give you a full screen, as you can see. And here you can zoom in, zoom out the options according to your necessary. So that's the way how you can fix the problem. This video find you helpful, let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.